No one's here. I could look around some. Finn's had this set up a while. I need to look around. Cables look important. Probably worth following. Looks like Finn's making a new mask? Shield? As soon as I find a way around the Underground's weapons, she comes up with something new. Rick's invention. Krieger doesn't understand Nuform well enough to make more, but Finn does. She mapped out how its reactivity works. That's one. Need to power the others. So why do you think I should tell Finn I'm Spider-Man? Don't you think she might react badly?
Let's make a pros and cons list. Pro, she's your best friend. Besides me.
Con, she's a tinkerer.
Pro, talking to her is easier than sneaking around behind her back.
Con, the other Spider-Man was super clear. Don't tell anyone who you are.
You told me. Maybe if she knows it's you she's fighting, she'll rethink the whole Tinkerer thing.
Maybe you're right. Powering the generators that could turn on Finn's rig. Drywall's falling apart. Right, that's two. Hope this is a good idea.
What's the worst that could happen?
Says the guy 30 blocks away. I bet my suit could find the generators. Those gears look webbable.
I have entered existence.
Passive detection center.
Nice. Clear line of sight to the generator. Finn's feeding Roxxon bad intel so they don't get close to her or the new form. She's good. Three down. One to go. Finn's been making new weapons to deal with me. Guess she told the rest of the underground to keep tabs. Sounds promising. Gotta check Finn's supercomputer. Alright, what are you up to, Finn? Finn's pumping energy into the new form, making it unstable like my venom did.
Which exploded the bridge. So, what? Does she want to blow up the theater?
Not the theater. Roxxon Plaza.
Whoa, what? That's... how could she...
It's not open yet, so there'll be no casualties. But I can't let her do this. I'm taking the new form. Come on. Come on! Crap!
Spread out. He's here somewhere.
I need to get the new form. After I deal with her glowstick army.
Just to put it out there, what if Finn's right, and this is the best way to beat Roxxon?
Finn's not just talking about throwing a rock through a window. She wants to blow up a building on my block. If any part of her plan goes wrong, people will get hurt. I can't let her take that chance.
You're right. Let's get that new form out of here.
You heard Beth got sick after being on the bridge?
We all know that. New form gets in your lungs, you're dead.
And it doesn't bother you that Tinker's forcing us to hang around it?
You want to punk out, that's on you. I'm not running from a cave.
Screw off. We always gotta be on the move. Even if Spider-Man doesn't find us, Roxxon will.
Not once we've used the new form. Then they'll leave us alone.
They'll be gone. Won't be a problem then.
Where'd he go?
Sooner or later, we'll flush you out! I can't believe this is happening! Come on, Doc! Let's throw him out!
You can't beat us!
Bring this guy out before he gets the new form! What the heck? What are we doing? How are we like this?
What is happening?
Come on, get it
You
good.
can't win this by yourself!
If you give me the new form, we can skip this part.
Keep him away from the ring!
Keep him away from the new form!
Taking us out!
He saw our plan! We have to take him out!
He followed us here! He disappeared! He's here! He's gotta be! We'll find him! Keep looking! Two Spider-Man, huh? What are you? No! Even Spider-Man's not ready for this.
Venom tears it apart.
Good! Keep doing that!
Spider-Man! We can beat him!
Fighting us was a big mistake!
You're just a cheap knockoff!
Stay down, Spider-Man!
Okay, now for the new form. Okay, see? No!
Can't let you take that.
What's next? Hey! Hey!
Seriously?
I just want to talk! Finn! Tinkerer! Stop!
So you can steal my new form? Not a chance in hell!
Hey, Genki! Ran into Finn!
What's happening?
She grabbed the new form! I'm chasing her across Manhattan!
Crap. Okay, how are you gonna stop her?
Step 1, catch her. Step 2, I'll get back to you. I just want to talk! Finn! Tinkerer! Stop!
So you can steal my new form? Not a chance in hell!
Hey, Genki! Ran into Finn!
What's happening?
She grabbed the new form! I'm chasing her across Manhattan!
Crap. Okay, how are you gonna stop her?
Step 1, catch her. Step 2, I'll get back to you. Oh, move!
Back off! This is between me and Rockside!
How about we use our words? How about you stop being so flingy? Or is she not tired yet? It is not going well.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm dodging explosions. I need a new strategy. Gonna do what you said.
Tell her the truth?
Yeah, soon as I catch her. Tinkerer, I gotta tell you something. Slow down.
Do you think I'm stupid?
You wanna hear this. I promise.
Step off, Spider-Man!
Oh crap! Not good, not good! Hope the ship's okay!
I said step off!
Whoa! Why did she invent death wheels?
Give me one good reason not to end you.
My mom would be very upset.
Miles?
Can we just...
You two on the roof! Freeze!
That could have gone better. I think she cracked a rib. Or 3.
Hey, how'd it go with Finn?
Not great. You still at my place?
I'm actually at home. My parents get back next week, so I thought I'd clean. But I could come back.
Nah, it's okay. I'll call you later. Now what? Hey, Uncle Aaron. I need some advice.
About what exactly?
Just everything. Are you free?
I can wrap up what I'm doing. Call you in a few.
Thanks, man. Talk to you soon. I have no idea where Finn is. Or the new form. Guess I should kill some time till Uncle Aaron's free. Helicopter's out of control. Better check it out. Something is seriously wrong with that helicopter. Time to hero up. You need to land.
I can't! Someone's jammed the controls!
Found the source of the hack. 3 of them.
A little screwy. Are you sure you're not? I can't have you talking at me. Shut up.
Don't let him mess with the signal!
I'm shutting this down.
Pay for that! Spider-Man!
All right, now for the transmitter. Gotta do that 2 more times. One left. Hey, Roxxon guy. You still okay?
No, we're stable. Controls are still a little wrenching, but stable.
You're not stronger than us! Don't let him out! This is gonna hurt!
Okay, time to worry about the transmitter. That killed the hack.
Thanks, Spider. You should get out of here before backup arrives. Not gonna stop. What are you doing out there? Hey, nephew. Meet me at the docks in Hell's Kitchen.
I'll be there. What am I gonna do about Finn? Try talking to her again? We could meet her somewhere. The Science Center or Trinity Church? No. She knows I lied to her now. She won't want to see me.
Hey, my buds, dudes, gal pals. As if New York wasn't exciting enough during the holidays, there is now a tropical storm slash hurricane creeping its way up the coast. Oh yeah, just like that movie where the boat gets flipped over by a big wave, you know? Oh, sorry, swimmers. Anyway, if this storm hits, a lot of people are gonna need help. So now's a great time to donate to your local shelter. Till next time, remember to check your credit score annually. You get 1 free report per year, so be responsible. Bye!
Getting close to the docks. Hope Uncle Aaron's there.
I gotta call you back.
Oh.
All right, Miles. Spill it. Give me the whole situation.
Finn, Roxxon, Underground. It's just a lot, you know?
You're 17. You're stressed. And you're a superhero. You gotta cut yourself some slack. You still making beats?
And not much since I started this.
Work-life balance, kid. Most important thing. Here. Little project your dad and I started back in the day. Our mixtape. Had rhymes ready and everything.
How come I never heard about this?
Cause we never finished. We sampled street noise around the way. Wanted the city to be our beat. But your dad had the masters. And after things went bad between us... But you can finish what we couldn't. Plus, it'll take your mind off work.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What do I do?
Load that up. I'll walk you through it. I'll set up holograms to guide you. Scan the source.
Holograms, huh? You stealing my moves? Okay. Don't think about Finn. Focus on sounds. Clear my head.
Scan the holograms and it'll unlock files on that drive I gave you. Hope you figure out which sound you're looking for. Now try and find the original sound and grab a clean sample. That's the sweet spot. Not a match, though. Keep looking.
I'm not gonna find it over here. Nah, getting too far away. I think it's back there. Not this way.
Need to be a little closer to get your levels right. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Rest of the sounds you need are spread across the city. I left a few messages for you too, to help you get a feel for each location.
Oh, dope.
Not now. Hey, get something you like?
Yeah, really unique dynamics.
See? Old man still knows his stuff.
And you were right about clearing my head, too. I know what to do about Finn. I gotta see her. Try to talk her out of all this.
In person? Where?
Trinity Church. Tomorrow night. Why so interested?
Because you got a target on your back the size of Jersey.
You don't have to protect me.
Someone should.
You know, you said you never finished this tape because of how things went bad between you and Dad. What actually happened between you two?
It was complicated. We were too similar and too different. Finish the tape, get all the samples, and you'll hear the whole story. Promise.
All right, thanks, Unc.
Trinity Church. Remember, Tinker is yours, but leave the boy alone.
Man, I needed that. I was beat. Okay, I'm gonna call Finn. As soon as I'm ready to go.